Why does your scanner show the P2090 engine code? What does it mean? P2090 is a diagnostic trouble code for B. Camshaft position, actuator control, circuit low bank 1. This engine code indicates that the ECM has detected a low signal in the control circuit for this actuator. This can lead to issues with valve timing, potentially causing engine misfires, rough idling, and decreased performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Camshaft position, actuator solenoid. Wiring and connections. Engine oil level and quality. Timing components. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Cadillac SRX and Chevrolet Camaro. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.